everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to go through extended stitches. These could be extended single crochets, extended double crochets, half double crochets, etc. We'll go through each one of them and I will tell you the abbreviations for each one as I do them. But in this case, when you would see a request in a pattern for one of these extended stitches, it's really a situation where the pattern calls for something a little higher than your normal single crochet or double crochet, but not high enough for the next size up. So you want something a little taller than a double crochet, but not as tall as a triple crochet, so you could do an extended double crochet, for example. So that's really what we're talking about with these extended stitches, and they all really work the same way, but I'll go through each one of them and we can take a look at them. So let's start with the extended single crochet, and I just have a base foundation of some single crochets here. I've already done my single turning chain here, and I'll just go through and show you what an extended single crochet looks like. So for starters, we'll insert our hook into the stitch as normal and draw up a loop. Now normally for a single crochet you'd yarn over and go through both. We're not going to do that. We're going to yarn over and just go through one. And when you do that, that still leaves the two loops on the hook. Now you can finish your single crochet and yarn over and go through two. So you can see it's a little taller than a single crochet because of that extra part of the stitch right there. So let's do that again. Insert your hook, draw up a loop. You have two on the hook. Yarn over, draw through one, then yarn over and draw through two. Another extended single crochet. By the way, you would see this in a pattern as an ESC for extended single crochet. Might also abbreviate extended like EXT, and then SC for extended single crochet. You could see it a couple of different ways. We'll do that again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, two on the hook, yarn over, just go through one, then finish your single crochet and yarn over and go through two. So you can see these are just a little taller than a single crochet. Okay, now let's do the half double crochet. So I'm still here with my foundation of single crochets. We're just going to use this. So yarn over, insert the hook just like normal, yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook like normal for a half double crochet. But first, we're going to do the extended part by yarning over and just going through one. Now you can do your half double crochet like normal, yarn over and draw through all 3. So this little part of the stitch here just gives it a little extra height. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 on the hook, yarn over and just go through one. There's your extended part. Yarn over and go through all 3. And one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through, whoops, excuse me, went too far. Yarn over and pull through one, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So for this one, you would see EHDC for extended half double crochet. Like the single crochet, you could also see EXT, which would be the abbreviation for extended, and then HDC. And you can see, like the single crochet, it's just a little taller than a normal half double crochet. Not as tall as a double crochet though. So speaking of double crochets, let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Let me get a alternative turning chain on here so we can get to the right height. If you're not familiar with an alternative turning chain, go ahead and check out the video on my channel. I think you'll like it better if you're not using that today. Okay, so let's yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 on the hook. Normally for a half double crochet we draw through 2 and draw through 2, but we need to do the extended part first. So yarn over, draw through 1, that's your extended part. Now go ahead and draw through 2 and draw through 2. And we can do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop. Let's do the extended part first. Yarn over and draw through 1. Now your double crochet, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. And you can see a little bit taller by about this much than a normal double crochet, not really as tall as a triple crochet though, somewhere in between. So draw through 1, and draw through 2, and draw through 2. So it just gives a little extra height with those stitches. For the extended double crochet, you would see this abbreviated as, you guessed it, EHDC for extended double crochet. You could also see it as EXTDC as an extended double crochet that way too. So just depends. So now let's take a look at the extended triple crochet. Let me get my turning chain in there first. And similar to the other stitches, we're going to start like a normal triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the stitch and pull up a loop. 4 on the hook like normal. Yep, we're going to yarn over and go through 1 first. That's the extended part. And now you can go ahead and do your normal triple crochet. Yarn over, go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. One more time. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over and go through 1 first for the extended part, yarn over, go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. So it gives you a little extra height on that stitch. And the final time, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 1 for the extended part, go through 2, go through 2, and go through 2. So again, gives you a little extra height on that stitch. For the triple crochet, you're going to see this either as an ETC, you could see this as an ETR, depends on if your pattern usually says TC for triple crochet or TR for triple crochet. I've seen them both. You could also see them as EXTTC or EXTTR, whichever way. But that would be your extended stitches: single crochet, half double crochet, and triple crochet. If you have any questions or are looking for a specific stitch or need further instructions, as normal, put your comments down below in the box. Thanks for watching, everybody.